Welcome to this video where we will be discussing Henry Mintzberg's managerial roles. In today's business world, managerial roles are critical for organizational success. In this video, we will explore the 10 roles that managers play in an organization, according to Mintzberg. We'll also discuss how these roles can be implemented to improve organizational performance. Attention! Did you know what a manager's job is more than just delegating tasks and making decisions? There are 10 distinct roles that they play to ensure organizations running effectively. Knowing these roles can make a significant difference in a company's success. Henry Mintzberg identified 10 managerial roles that managers commonly perform in organizations. These roles are divided into 3 categories: interpersonal, informational, and decisional. So let's take a look at each of these categories and their respective roles. First, interpersonal roles. This is the first category, interpersonal roles, which involves interaction with people within and outside the organization. There are 3 roles in this category: figurehead, leader, and liaison. The figurehead role requires the manager to perform ceremonial duties such as attending meetings, social events, and conferences. The leader role involves the manager's responsibility for managing and motivating their employees to achieve the organization's goals. The liaison role requires the manager to establish relationships with other individuals and organizations outside the company. Second, informational roles. The second category is informational roles, which are concerned with the collection, processing, and dissemination of information. There are 3 roles in this category. First, monitor, then disseminator, and then spokesperson. The monitor role requires the manager to gather information about both the internal and the external environment of the organization. The disseminator role involves transmitting the collected information to relevant individuals within the organization. The spokesperson role requires the manager to communicate with external stakeholders such as customers, suppliers, and the media. Then we have decisional roles. The third category is decisional roles, which involves making decisions that affect the organization's future. There are 4 roles in this category: entrepreneur, disturbance handler, and resource allocator, as well as negotiator. The entrepreneur role requires the manager to identify new opportunities and take risks to enhance the organization's performance. The disturbance handler role involves resolving conflicts and crises within the organization. The resource allocator role requires the manager to distribute resources such as capital, equipment, personnel to maximize the organization's performance. The negotiator role requires the manager to negotiate with stakeholders such as suppliers and unions to achieve the organization's goals. In conclusion, understanding the 10 managerial roles can help managers to perform their duties effectively and contribute to the organization's goals and ultimately the organizational success. Mintzberg's model provides a framework for understanding the diverse tasks that managers must perform. By playing these roles, managers can ensure that their organizations operate effectively and efficiently. So, which of these 10 roles do you think is the most critical for a manager to perform? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found it informative, please like and share it with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos on this topic. Peace out.